Ready for Liftoff by Anne Tackman. This is a space shuttle. It looks like an airplane, but it travels in space. Astronauts have explored space in space shuttles since 1981. Astronauts must learn how to work in space. They study subjects such as astronomy and math. They learn how to move and live in space, too. Many people help astronauts get ready to fly. A launch team gets the space shuttle ready to fly. They check the orbiter to be sure its parts work correctly. The orbiter carries astronauts and equipment. The launch team fixes any parts of the orbiter that need repair. Space shuttle. External tank. Solid rocket booster. Solid rocket booster. Orbiter. Orbiter engines. The launch team tests and checks the external tank. This tank holds fuel. The launch team tests and checks the solid rocket boosters. These boosters hold fuel too. A team puts together the solid rocket boosters, the external tank, and the orbiter to form the space shuttle. The team puts very cold fuel into the external tank. The fuel is so cold that ice forms on the tank. A few hours before launch, another team makes sure that there isn't too much ice on the tank. Solid rocket boosters. Orbiter engines. At liftoff, the solid rocket boosters begin to work. Their force helps push the shuttle off the ground. After about 2 minutes, the boosters float back to Earth. At liftoff, the orbiter engines work. They also push the shuttle off the ground. They get the shuttle into space. The engines use fuel from the external tank. The tank is empty after about 8 minutes, and then it falls away too. Now the orbiter can orbit Earth. In the future, many people may travel by space shuttle. Maybe you will be one of them. Responding. Target vocabulary. Word builder. Make a word web around the word space. What might you see in space? Copy this word web and add more words. Write about it. Text to self. You have just read about the space shuttle. Would you like to fly in one? Write a few sentences telling why or why not. Use 2 words from the word builder in your paragraph. Target vocabulary. Astronomy. Explored. Float. Force. Future. Orbit. Repair. Space. Target strategy. Analyze, evaluate. Tell how you feel about the text and why. Word teaser. On the water sits a boat. It does not sink because it can blank.